In today's Olelo download, we're going to be looking at Namahele o Kapu Hala, or the parts of the hala tree. So the word for hala tree is pu hala. Then we have the leaf, lau, and then you'd say hala after it. So lau, hala, the hala leaf. We have ahui hala, the hala fruit. And then when you see the fruit, it you can disconnect it to these little pieces. And they're called ki hala. I don't know what the English, I think it's just like keys, they call it. And then hinano is the flower, which is a male flower on the hala tree. Then these two here, these are both roots, but these are above ground and these are underground. So ule hala is the aerial roots. You'll see them kind of coming out from the trunk. And then they also have underground roots. Those are called a'a. Oia wali hola!